Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mandy, and this is Living Life Within a Budget. Today we have a long-awaited Temu haul. Let's get into it. So, we have a Temu haul here that actually had some Father's Day gifts and a teacher gift as well. It did come about a week later than what it was supposed to. That's okay. It's here now, and everybody can still get their gifts just a little late. But let's get into the first item. So the first item that we have here is a necklace. Oh, not attached to the chain yet. But it is Alice in Wonderland. If you can't see, it's the Cheshire Cat and then Alice there. And then it does have a really nice hold on it so that it won't break. And then it comes with a nice chain as well. Next item we have here has a film on it. There we go. But it says, "An awesome teacher is not easy to find. Thank you for helping me grow." It's just like a little plaque, a little momentum. End of the year is coming up. I think my son's one teacher is going to really like that. If you may have seen in the few videos back, one of my last Temu hauls, I did get 3 teacher bags. I forgot there was another teacher, and my son actually chose this for the 3rd teacher, so. Next item we have here are some men's slides. These are going to be for my husband. But they are black, and they have like really soft foam inside, and they have like bubbles. These are like the most comfortable slides. So I'm sure that my husband's going to really like that. And they have little bears on them with X'd out eyes. If you may have seen in my last video, the Urban Planet haul, I did actually get a tank top for my husband that had the exact same bear on it. So it'll actually coordinate very well for him. And I did get, it's a 44, 45, but it's supposed to be a 9.5 to a 10. So. Okay, and next couple items here. Are you shocked? We have some tin signs. Let's get into them. First of all, we have this one for my husband. It's Family Guy, and it's Stewie and Brian, and he's saying, "Where's my money, man?" If you've never seen Family Guy or you don't know what I'm talking about, here's where that's from.
Where's my money? You gonna give me my money? Where's my money, man?
Pretty brutal, I know. And next one, take this one out of the packaging so you could see it. And all of these tin signs, thankfully, did not come bent. But this one is for my stepfather. And it says Bazinga. And if you're a Big Bang Theory fan, you know what this is from. But here's the clip of Sheldon saying it over and over again.
Bazinga. 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 Bazinga.
Pretty funny, right? Okay, and next one we have here, also got to take this one out. It is Zootopia with Nick and Judy. Again, a metal tin sign. And this is actually for my older son's father, because he actually really likes this movie. These are ones that I threw in there for myself because sometimes Temu has a cart limit, like you have to spend so much so that they can ship it. So this one is for me, and it's Ace Ventura: Pet Detective. One of my all-time favorite movies growing up. I love it. I love the artwork on it and all the animals, and he's in the car, the Miami Dolphin newspaper on it. It's amazing. This is awesome.
I'm gonna execute a button hook pattern super slow-mo.
And this will be added to my sign wall at the back of me. And then, are you ready?
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to clown around?
Because we have Big Comfy Couch. Now this was a personalized tin sign. You may have seen a few Temu hauls ago that I did do a personalized tin sign, and it was Coyote Ugly. I decided to do another one. Now I am gonna say that they blew this one up kind of big, so it looks a little blurry, but that's okay because this show was a really big part of my childhood. Actually, a bigger part than you may think, because I still have my Molly doll. Now, mine is a little disheveled. I cut her hair when I was little. My grandma made her this dress, so it's not going to be the same as in the picture. And these feet are completely different feet that I have had to sew on twice. Very well loved, but that is my childhood doll. So getting this for my wall was an absolute must. Do you guys know what this show is? Let me know in the comments below. Let's get some nostalgia going. And there you have our Temu haul. If you liked this video, make sure that you leave a like. If you want to join up to Temu, make sure that you're clicking the affiliate link that's in the description box of the video. That link can get you up to $100 off in coupons when you first sign up. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and make sure that you turn on notifications so that you don't miss when I post a new video and get cool new things and get gifts for other people. You never know what I'm going to get. You never know what I'm going to do. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, make sure that you leave them all in the comment box below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day. Thanks. Bye.